Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a double layers convection ovens. And as we can see, they have two units. So they mount on each other's. So let me give you the measurements first. A unit's entire length is about like 38 inches wide. And front to the behind is about like 30.5 inches deep. And the overall height about like 66 inches tall. As we can see the front panels, the two separated units have two controller systems. And also they do having the power for each of the units and the light switch and temperatures. They have a small digit displays to show you the temperatures and also have indicators to show you the status of the units, power on, and they making heats. And also they have a fan controls right here to making the temperature high or low and open the fan and also the cooling the fan. So let me open the inner side to give the dimensions too. For the inner side, we can see they're having 5 layer racks. You can adjust the heights. And let me give the measurements. It's about like 21 inches deep. Overall height is about like 19.5 inches tall. And the length is about like 29 inches wide. For the unit's inner side, they do having the lights, 2 lights right here, and the big circling fan at the behind. And the bottom units, they come in exactly the same functions and dimensions too. And also let's take a round to see the back side. So let's take a look at the back side. The both units have split a one delay system on the side and 2 motors. You can see the motor connection using the standard 110 plugs. And also they do have the gas connection right here. Pull it up, you can see the connections. On the other side, we do have the ETL sanitation stickers on it. And on the motors, we can see a lot of detailed information from the manufacturer displayed to you. And the measurements for the back side. For the back side of the motor area, it's about like 8 inches deep. For this area, the height is about like 7 inches tall. And the length of this area is about like 10.5 inches wide. Thank you for watching this video. It's all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.